ATV, ARV, DTI, USDA. These terms are all confusing and related to real estate. In today's video, we're going to discuss what each one of these terms mean and how it could impact your ability to purchase a home, or what all these terms mean just to avoid confusion and so that there's clear and transparent information for you. First, we're going to get into LTV. LTV is loan to value. So the loan to value is based on your down payment based on your purchase price. So if you're putting 5% down, then your loan to value is 95%, meaning you are financing 95% of your purchase price. If you put 20% down, then your LTV will be at 80%. Now this means a lender is going to take on less risk because you're putting more money down, so you have more skin in the game. Another very common term that's used today is DPA. DPA is down payment assistance, and as more and more funds dry up on down payment assistance programs, new funds or new opportunities will emerge. The next term is FHA. FHA is just a loan type. You have conventional mortgages, you have FHA mortgages, you have USDA mortgages, which is another acronym that we'll get into. So this is typically used by first-time buyers because FHA is a program that allows higher debt to income ratios, higher DTI, or it also allows more flexibility with credit scores. So you can technically have a lower credit score since these homes are insured by the government. DTI. DTI stands for debt to income ratio. Your debt to income ratio determines your ability to purchase a home or what your budget will be. So the lower your debt to income ratio, the more home that you can afford, the higher your purchase price. Now, typically as interest rates increase, your buying power diminishes by about 10% for every 1% in interest rate increase. So moving forward, if we see rates decrease during the next couple of years, then we can expect that your purchasing power will actually increase, affording you more home, or if there's more competition, affording you a home at whatever those prices are at that time. ARV is your after repair value, a term used by investors because it determines the after repair value of a property. Now, if an investor is purchasing a property at 60% of its after repair value, that means they have a 40% spread in order to budget for the repairs that they want to make on that home, and then they can determine what spread is an acceptable amount for them. The next term is ARM. Now, I do not mean a body part. What I mean is an adjustable rate mortgage. Adjustable rate mortgages are typically fixed for a certain period of time. After that time expires, they need to adjust based on the market at that time. So these can be very popular in a situation where rates are higher, and as rates become lower, they become a little bit less popular, but nevertheless, it's an option that you can certainly explore. The last term is USDA. USDA is a type of mortgage that you can use in less populated areas, in an area that the government deems that they would like to see some additional growth in. Now, if I missed a term or there's a term or an acronym that you would like to know more information about, feel free to leave us a comment or send us a text or email. We'll be happy to answer that and address. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.